In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer TikTok Shop balance to Gcash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what to tap, and how to make sure your money lands in your Gcash wallet smoothly. First, open your TikTok Shop account. Make sure you're signed into the shop or seller side, not just your personal feed. If you've got multiple accounts, switch to the one where your earnings are stored. You want to be in the area that shows your shop performance and payouts, not just content settings. Once you're in your TikTok Shop account, find and tap Finance. This section is where you can see your earnings overview. Look for your available balance, which is the amount you can withdraw right now. If you see funds labeled as pending, those usually need to clear based on order status or platform timelines before they become available. Next, go to Withdrawals. If you have an available balance, tap Withdraw. This brings up your withdrawal method and amount. Here's the key part. Make sure Gcash is selected as your destination. If it's your first time withdrawing, you may be prompted to add or confirm your Gcash details. Enter accurate information, double-check the mobile number linked to your Gcash, and ensure the account name matches your TikTok Shop profile details to avoid verification issues. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Take a moment to review any minimum withdrawal thresholds, potential fees, and the estimated processing time shown on the screen. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. Keep your app notifications on so you'll see updates from TikTok Shop, and also check your Gcash app for incoming funds. Many transfers post within the stated timeframe, but it can vary based on platform processing and system maintenance. If you don't see Gcash as an option, update your TikTok app and confirm that Gcash payouts are supported in your region. If an error appears, verify that your Gcash account is active, has completed any required verification, and that your details match on both platforms. Typos in a mobile number are a common cause of failed transfers, so review carefully before confirming. That's it. Open your TikTok Shop account, go to Finance, open Withdrawals, and when you have a balance ready, tap Withdraw and make sure Gcash is selected. With these steps and a quick review of your details, you should be able to transfer your TikTok Shop balance to Gcash successfully. Thanks for watching and happy selling.